Good afternoon everyone. Today we're showing you how you adjust the volume and how to turn off or on the reversing tone and audio effects. So very easy to do. You go into either the vehicle button down here, or you can go to home on the steering wheel and then go to vehicle on the screen, and then make sure you navigate to the left hand side of the screen, and you can then go to the assistance section, and you're going to want to go down to camera and park assist. So in here you can change the maneuvering assist. You can then also set the warning tone. This area allows you to adjust the pitch and turn it on and off if you don't want it. So you can adjust the warn early if you want to. You can and you obviously change the pitch, change the volume. You can also turn it fully off using this button down here. So that's the parking sensor off. So you can turn that off if you want to. You can also set the options to auto reverse the camera or open the camera if you're just curious to see what was out there. So yeah, that's how you adjust the parking sensor option, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next video.